In a bustling city filled with skyscrapers and the constant hum of ambition, there lived a woman named Clara. She worked tirelessly as an accountant at a prestigious firm, dedicating long hours to managing finances for wealthy clients. Though she was skilled and respected, Clara often felt an emptiness inside. She was caught in the relentless cycle of earning money, only to spend it on bills, a cramped apartment, and fleeting luxuries that never truly satisfied her. Every morning, as Clara boarded the crowded subway, she couldn't help but notice the faces around her, lost in their phones, weighed down by stress, and trapped in their own routines. They were all working hard, but for what? She pondered this question daily, wondering if money was really worth the sacrifices they made. One evening, after another exhausting day, Clara stumbled upon an old book in a quaint little bookstore. The title read, "Money Should Work for You." Intrigued, she picked it up and began reading. The author argued that money was a tool, an instrument meant to serve people, not enslave them. This revelation ignited a spark in Clara's mind. Determined to change her life, Clara made a plan. She wanted to reclaim her time and use her financial skills for a greater purpose. Instead of merely crunching numbers for the wealthy, she envisioned helping her community thrive. Clara decided to volunteer at a local nonprofit that focused on financial literacy. With her expertise, she created workshops to teach budgeting, saving, and investing. As she shared her knowledge, she realized how much joy it brought her. The participants were eager to learn, asking questions and sharing their own stories. Clara felt empowered, knowing she was making a tangible difference in their lives. Word spread about her workshops, and soon she was approached by a group of young entrepreneurs looking for guidance. They dreamed of starting their own businesses, but lacked the financial know-how. Clara saw potential in them and offered to mentor them for free. As she invested her time into their success, Clara experienced a transformation. The once drab evenings spent in her cramped apartment were replaced by vibrant discussions about innovation, creativity, and collaboration. The young entrepreneurs thrived under her guidance, launching startups that focused on sustainable products and services. Clara watched with pride as they made their mark in the community, proving that money could be a catalyst for positive change. Months passed, and Clara's life began to shift dramatically. She learned to manage her own finances better, using her skills not just for others but for herself. She started a small side business creating financial education materials and online courses, allowing her to earn extra income while still dedicating her time to her community. Through her journey, Clara realized that money should be a tool that amplifies our passions and helps us uplift others. It was not about hoarding wealth, but rather about creating opportunities. She taught her mentees this philosophy, and together they formed a community of entrepreneurs who believed in reinvesting in their neighborhoods. They organized events, shared resources, and supported one another in their endeavors. One evening, Clara sat at a community center filled with laughter, music, and the buzz of excitement as young entrepreneurs showcased their products. She reflected on how far she had come, from feeling trapped in a corporate grind to becoming a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. As the sun set over the city, casting a warm glow, Clara realized the truth in the words she had read so long ago. People may work for money, but she had learned that money should indeed work for people. In that moment, surrounded by the vibrant community she had helped create, Clara understood that true wealth was not measured in dollars, but in the impact she made on others' lives. She smiled, knowing that her journey had just begun and the best was yet to come. With renewed purpose, Clara continued her mission, transforming lives one workshop at a time, embodying the spirit of empowerment and redefining the relationship between people and money. The city that once felt so isolating now thrived with connection, hope, and possibility, all thanks to the shift in understanding that money, when put to work for people, could indeed change the world.